StBotanica GO Smooth Shampoo is best smooth shampoo for hair care. Welcome to our channel, Hair Zone Solution. StBotanica GO Smooth Hair Shampoo is a combination of powerful ingredients that helps thoroughly cleanse hair and scalp. It restores the natural hair texture and helps it make smooth. This best smooth shampoo has nourishing ingredients such as hydrolyzed keratin protein, hyaluronic acid and mango butter that penetrate through the hair strands and improve its elasticity against breakage. StBotanica GO Smooth Shampoo is best smooth shampoo for hair care. Enriched with natural ingredients, the StBotanica GO Smooth Hair Shampoo intensely moisturizes the hair to give salon-like silky smooth hair. It helps tame unruly hair and repairs each hair strand to retain its healthy natural texture. The shampoo is packed with natural ingredients such as hydrolyzed keratin protein, mango butter, and hyaluronic acid that helps deep cleanse hair and make your hair smoother, shinier, and easier to style. It nourishes the hair and scalp and helps repair damaged hair. THSI is best smooth shampoo for hair care. The combination of moisturizing agents helps make your hair lustrous and shiny. The nourishing properties of various ingredients help restore hair health and bring life to dull and dry hair. The shampoo is effective in washing away dirt, impurities, and grime from the scalp, giving a refreshing feeling. The product does not contain any harmful chemicals or toxins. It is suitable for all hair types and even color-treated hair. The potent blend of natural ingredients replenishes the hair and helps maintain overall hair health. It revamps your hair care routine and helps repair dry and damaged hair. It is a moisturizing shampoo formulated to hydrate and reduce the frizziness of hair. The shampoo is also infused with Moroccan argan oil, pea protein, and rosemary that helps smoothen hair. The enriching natural extracts help strengthen the hair, leaving it smooth, supple, and shiny. The product is free from parabens, SLS, SLES, silicones, or mineral oils and is suitable for all hair types. StBotanica GO Smooth Shampoo is best smooth shampoo for hair care. You will get the product link in the description box. To buy this product, just click on the link given below. Please like and share this video, and subscribe our channel, Hair Zone Solution.